Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate an Epic Games account, redeem and verify access step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Epic Games. Click sign in at the top right of the page. If you already have an Epic Games account, enter your email and password and sign in. If you do not have an account, click sign up and create one using a valid email address. Confirm your email inbox and click the verification link sent by Epic Games. Return to Epic Games. And sign in again to make sure your account is fully verified. Move your cursor to your profile icon and click Account. In the Account Settings page, check that your email address shows as verified. If it is not verified, click Resend Email Verification and complete the verification process. Now open the Epic Games launcher on your PC or Mac. If you do not have the launcher, download it from Epic Games. And install it. Launch the Epic Games launcher and click Sign in. Sign in with the same Epic Games account you just verified. Wait for the launcher to load your library and confirm you are logged in successfully. To redeem a code, click your profile icon in the launcher. Select Redeem Code from the menu. Carefully type or paste your activation or access code into the box. Click Redeem and wait for the confirmation message. If you see an error, double-check for extra spaces and confirm the code matches exactly. After redemption, go to Library to see if the game or content appears. If it is a game, click the Game tile and check that Install is available. If it is add-on content, open the game page and confirm the add-on is listed as owned. To verify access on the website, go back to Epic Games. And open your account page again. Click Transactions or Payment History to confirm the redeemed item is recorded if applicable. Click Connections if you need to link PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, or Steam for access. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in to the platform account and approve the connection. Restart the Epic Games launcher to refresh your library and entitlements. If the item still does not appear, use Help in the launcher and contact Epic support with your code details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.